Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and today I'm going to be building a lawnmower. So I haven't no Valentine's Day video up yet, so it'll be a little while. Yes, you see a tree there, because from our Valentine's Day party we had. So I'm building a thing. So all you'll be needing is 2 of these gray pieces. Stick them one here, and then stick the other one inside the wheel on there. Stick it like this. Either you have 2 choices though. You can stick. Wait, hold up, not yet. Hold on. Let me change my mind. Let me think about something. Hold up. Yeah, you can stick them in here. With the gray pieces. And then if you want to choose, you can make a dolly. If you choose to make a dolly, you can make a dolly lawnmower. And this is how you want to make a dolly lawnmower. Although you stick it like this, and then you put like these together, like this way. And do that if you want to make a dolly lawnmower like this. This is how you make a dolly lawnmower. I will do that though. Don't worry about that. So that's that part. So now we're gonna be making. If you want still same wheels, or you want little tiny wheels, with little tiny wheels, we're gonna be extending the mower about this much out. And then we're gonna clip the wheels. You can choose these kind of wheels, or you can choose this tiny wheel. So you can stick it like this. So then it'll look like a lawnmower. But on the bottom, we're gonna have to brace it. So the thing will fall apart. So as I'm building it, you do this. If you guys want to build it, you can build one now. Do steps, and you put another one here. But guys, if you so see how it looks so far. Now, the engine. You can put the engine this way. Put the engine down there. I'm gonna take this piece, stick it here, as with your steering wheel. Put your steering wheel there. Now I'm gonna be putting on before we stick the seat on, we're gonna have to make, I think, underneath where the little blades are. This is the blades. So we're gonna have to extend your wheels out, so because your blades is gonna be hanging down, and we don't want the wheels, the blades catching on the wheels. So put a little axle piece like this and clip it on here, and then take like a thing so it dangle like that. And I need to find another piece. Like one of these, and then we're gonna find like another axle piece like this. Clip it on to here, and then clip it on to here, like this. So kind of dangle, but we're gonna have to bring that up so it won't dangle too far down. So like a piece like this, but not like it like with here, like a piece like this with no things on the side though. And make sure to stick this contraction up the hole like this out the front. Now you stick it on the front up here. Now this is what it looks like dangling down. See, look, it dangles. Now the wheels, we're gonna have to bring up the wheels though. So we need a piece though. I need to find a piece. And I'm back. So we have this piece to stick this piece about right down in at the steering wheel, right there. So back again with these two pieces, we're gonna stick these underneath like this. Gotta make sure your blades will spin. So we're gonna be push that little thing here down, because so the thing will spin still. At least it'll go past the thing, and then we do that thing again with the wheels. Snap the wheels on, but then you're gonna have to support it then. And that's going to be a little difficulty though. But there's your lawnmower so far. I'm recording a video!
Oh, sorry. You can get your shower anytime then.
Okay. So then put this back a little further. Then you can put like this as like a little hook. Sometimes it will fall apart though. You put the wheels because sometimes they will fall off. So that's what it looks like so far. Now, if you choose, you can put like a little window up in the front, just for your little cuteness. Now, like this, and then you put a piece here, and then like the same other kind of piece. I don't care. Doesn't matter what kind of color pieces you use. Just use different colors if you want, or the same colors. And you can put them however you want them. Now the seat part, we're gonna be putting a platform like this, not platform, right? A piece like this down. Now next, probably want to be putting a thing like this down, right there, and then your seat. Sometimes, guys, if your wheels start falling off, just making sure you have it supported there. And then next I need to put one more thing on. The thing for the lawnmower to turn on your blades. So, there you go. That is how you build the little lawnmower. Thanks, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell. Bye.